Hi, welcome to the Craft Channel. My name's Corinne Bradd and today I want to show you a few pieces in the kit that you get with your January issue of Craft Beautiful. It's called the Birdie Bunch card making kit, and actually I'm quite delighted that I've chosen to wear this shirt today because mine's covered in budgies and the kit is covered in budgerigars. Very cute. There's some blank card. There are some printed double-sided papers. A whole set of die-cut sentiments and motifs, some printed card blanks, and some feathers, a birdcage template, and of course some foam pads. So I'm going to very quickly show you how easy it is to make a really cute gift tag using materials from the kit. So this layered gift tag is very effective and you can make it with any dies that you have at home. If you don't have something like these nesting dies, then you can always cut your own shapes, rectangles, circles, squares. We've got two pre-cut shapes here. What I'm going to do is pop this on a gridded cutting mat and find the centre and glue myself a little piece of double-sided card. Look, I've done it again, pink on pink. Right, do you know what? Let's put a piece of patterned paper down there. Actually, not that piece of patterned paper, because that's the piece I'm using. This piece of patterned paper, with lots of flying budgerigars to distract you. Pop a 1.5 cm wide strip of green paper across your smaller tag shape, and then just trim it back with a scalpel, preferably with a sharp scalpel. And then grab yourself some foam pads and place one on top of the other in the centre. You can then add some foam pads. This is one of the die-cut sentiments that's come out of the kit. Pop some foam pads on the back of this, but before you pop it in place, just use a little bit of a tacky-ish glue just on the back here. Don't need a lot. And just fix a feather on the back of it so it stands proud. And then you can pop this in the middle. Try and avoid covering the hole that you've punched in the top there. And then decorate the corners of your tag with some self-adhesive clear gemstones or silver gemstones. And then if you find yourself a piece of coordinating ribbon, fold it in half, push the loop through the hole in the tag, and then bring the loop over the two ends to make a lark's head knot. And pull it tight. Don't pull it too tight because you'll rip the card. And then you can attach it to your gift. So just one very simple idea of something you can make with a card kit with die-cut shapes. So I hope you like that demonstration. I hope you'll come back and see us again very soon. If you subscribe to the Craft Channel, we can send you a notification when we've got a new demonstration uploaded. And please let us know what you think. I always try and answer your comments. And if you've got questions, I'll always try and answer them to the best of my knowledge. I don't always know the answers. In the meantime, keep safe. Thank you very much for watching. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Craft Channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.